Welcome to Stock and Hustle, your premier destination for all things tech. Today, we embark on an exhilarating exploration of the future of robotics and the groundbreaking advancements in AI-powered machines. In this in-depth video, we will unveil the cutting-edge technologies that are revolutionizing industries and redefining human-robot interactions. We'll delve into the fascinating discoveries that are propelling robotics to unimaginable heights. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting tech updates. The fusion of artificial intelligence and robotics represents a pivotal moment in the history of technological progress. This convergence empowers machines with the cognitive abilities to perceive, learn, reason, and make decisions. By seamlessly integrating AI algorithms into robotic systems, we are witnessing an era where machines can adapt and evolve in real time, mirroring the remarkable learning capabilities of the human brain. The rise of humanoid robots has captured the imagination of both scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. These remarkably human-like machines exemplify the pinnacle of AI advancements, with fluid movements and expressive features that blur the lines between man and machine. Companies like Boston Dynamics Atlas and SoftBank Robotics Pepper are leading the charge in this humanoid revolution, opening new possibilities for social interactions, service-oriented tasks, and even therapeutic applications. AI-powered autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing the transportation industry. From self-driving cars navigating busy city streets to autonomous trucks revolutionizing logistics, these machines are transforming mobility as we know it. Companies such as Tesla, Waymo, and Uber's Advanced Technologies Group are pioneering the development of safe and efficient autonomous vehicles, paving the way for a future of enhanced road safety and reduced environmental impact. Collaborative robots, commonly known as cobots, are designed to work in tandem with humans, creating harmonious man-machine collaborations. These intelligent machines are redefining industries by assisting human workers, enhancing productivity, and improving workplace safety. Cobots are seamlessly integrated into manufacturing lines, allowing for intricate tasks to be performed with unparalleled precision while ensuring a safer work environment for their human counterparts. The healthcare industry is witnessing a transformative shift thanks to AI-powered robots. Surgical robots like Da Vinci are revolutionizing minimally invasive procedures, enabling surgeons to achieve unparalleled precision and better patient outcomes. AI-driven diagnostic systems analyze medical images, assisting healthcare professionals in detecting diseases with greater accuracy. Additionally, robotic exoskeletons are aiding in rehabilitation, enabling patients to regain mobility and independence. AI-powered robots have transcended terrestrial boundaries, venturing into the cosmos to aid in space exploration. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are our mechanized eyes on the Martian landscape, gathering invaluable data to deepen our understanding of the red planet. Autonomous satellites survey our universe, capturing celestial phenomena and expanding humanity's horizons in the great expanse of space. As we embrace the transformative power of AI-powered machines, ethical considerations become paramount. Ensuring the responsible use of AI in robotics necessitates addressing issues of accountability, transparency, and data privacy. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical principles is essential to harnessing AI's potential for the greater good while mitigating potential risks and unintended consequences. The widespread integration of AI and robotics in industries raises questions about the future of work. While these machines enhance efficiency and productivity, concerns about job displacement and workforce retraining arise. Embracing this technological shift requires proactive measures to reskill and upskill the workforce, fostering a harmonious coexistence between humans and AI-powered machines. Surprisingly, AI is delving into the realm of creativity, pushing the boundaries of what machines can accomplish. AI-generated art, music, and literature challenge traditional notions of creativity, inspiring new forms of artistic expression. From painting masterpieces to composing symphonies, AI's creative potential is a testament to the remarkable versatility of AI-powered machines. As we conclude this captivating journey into the future of robotics and the incredible advancements in AI-powered machines, we stand at the cusp of an extraordinary era. The integration of AI into robotics has unlocked unparalleled potential, revolutionizing industries and transforming the human experience. Nevertheless, we must approach this transformation with a sense of responsibility, ensuring that AI and robotics serve as a force for good, empowering humanity to reach new heights of innovation and prosperity. We hope this comprehensive exploration has left you inspired and enlightened. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Your valuable insights and comments are always welcome below. Remember to subscribe to Stock and Hustle for more captivating tech discussions. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep hustling.